Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You arrive at the swaying ghost house with gear and focus. Start by testing the porch rhythm. Walk to the threshold and tap the pole twice on the floorboards to judge timing and resonance. Once done, step in with a low center of gravity and 1 foot slightly ahead. This reduces pendulum motion transfer. Make sure to breathe and keep shoulders loose. Tension amplifies sway. You will now feel the house's beat. Align your steps with that beat to minimize destabilizing impulses. You identify safer boards by tapping a short grid pattern from left to right. Quieter thuds mean more support. Move deliberately in short steps synchronized to the phase you detected, so each foot lands when that section is momentarily stable. Once done, keep the pole lightly touching the floor ahead as a third contact point. It buys fractions of a second for balance corrections. Make sure to avoid long strides. Long steps add momentum that the house's sway will amplify and could trigger larger oscillations. You approach the exit along the line of least motion, pacing your steps so the final push coincides with a slack moment. Place the pole against a vertical support and shift weight slowly to it. This stabilizes your center before the last step out. Once out, step back and reassess wind and structural sounds. If things go wrong and you become unsteady, sit down immediately and curl into a low anchor position while keeping the pole between you and the floor. This reduces leverage and helps stop dangerous swinging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.